Hi, I'm Kate from Easy Entertaining, and today we are going to make a delicious hors d'oeuvre, goat cheese stuffed cherry peppers. Cherry peppers are the sweet peppers, not to be mistaken with jalapenos or habaneros, and they're delicious to stuff with cheese, sausage, any of those things. Today, we're going to learn how to clean them and learn how to make a cheese filling. So, for presentation's sake, I like to leave a little of the top on them. I just make sure I give them a good rinse, and then we'll slice and clean. So half is good, just right down the center. They kind of have a natural creasing in here. So we'll go right down the center. A clean cut. You just want to kind of pull the membrane of the cherry pepper out. Any seeds that might be in there, pull those out as well, so that you have a nice, clean boat for your cheese to go in. The filling we're going to use today is a mixture of goat cheese and ricotta. You can use semi-skim ricotta, you can use whole milk, anything will do. And we're just going to use about a half cup of each. You don't need a ton of cheese because, as you guys can see, these are pretty small. So here is my ricotta and my goat cheese. To this, I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. And just mix it up so it's integrated. We're pretty well integrated here, so I think we're ready to stuff. So I'd say about a teaspoon to a tablespoon, depending on the size here. And you just want to use your spoon to kind of get it into all the nooks and crannies. Right onto a baking sheet. We can go back and re-season at this point if we notice that something might be missing a little salt or pepper, or if you want a little color, maybe like a little toasted paprika, something along those lines. You don't need any oil. These are going to go into the oven, and maybe just 10 minutes. You can do them anywhere from 350 to 500. Just keep an eye on them, because what you're looking for is that golden brown bubbly texture in color on top. That'll let you know that your cherry peppers are ready to eat. Perfectly done stuffed cherry peppers, perfect for entertaining. Want to learn more? Check us out online at Easy Entertaining RI.